Now, detractors of our simulators will say the steering wheel and the buttons are not like a real car. We agree, but firstly, we have tried to keep our simulators affordable and easy to repair. A real dashboard adds incredible complexity and cost. Plus, should something go wrong, repair could mean return of the simulator to the factory. Being a driver training company, there reaches a point where a real car is a better training option than an expensive simulator. If something were to go wrong with our steering wheel, pedals or gear lever, then off-the-shelf components can be installed and fitted by any computer technician. It should also be said there is a real car dashboard in the simulator software, and it authentically replicates the dashboard of each vehicle model available. When you learn to look around the cabin, you will see the instrument panel does work just like the real car it is simulating. VR goggles allow an immersive experience here. With a steering wheel diameter smaller than usual, the student has to learn to control the steering wheel properly and to turn quickly with correct techniques. We offer the option of fitting a larger diameter steering wheel onto the steering system, but some of these have less buttons available, resulting in many of the controls being activated by keyboard or a separate button box. So a larger diameter wheel becomes a trade-off to functionality. Also, the steering wheel and pedals can be adjusted for sensitivity. You can make the steering, clutch, brake and accelerator more or less sensitive. You can alter these to simulate different vehicle handling characteristics, something you can't do in a real car. So in summary, our simulators have a smaller diameter wheel to make the system affordable, with easy repair, but still very useful for introductory driver training. If a real steering wheel size and a functioning dashboard is wanted, it is time to move your training to a real car.